Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware and system prerequisites. First, make sure your GPU lists DirectX feature level 11.0 or higher. This matters because games require specific feature sets. Once that's clear, run DXdiag to record the DirectX version and driver details, then install the latest GPU drivers from the vendor. Finally, install Visual C++ runtimes and the DirectX runtime redistributable, and reboot. This ensures necessary DLLs are registered, and the system is ready to run games with DirectX 11. Next, you switch the game to DirectX 11 and tune its renderer. Open the launcher or game config and select DirectX 11 or add a launch parameter such as DX11. This forces the engine to load the D3D11 API. Then confirm D3D11. DLL and supporting runtimes are intact. If files were replaced by mods, restore originals. Once the renderer is active, adjust textures, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing to balance visuals versus frame rate, because DX11 enables specific features like tessellation and improved multithreading. Finally, validate the setup by running a benchmark or a heavy in-game scene so you can watch frame pacing and stability. If the game crashes, shows TDR errors, or falls back to DirectX 9, try updating or rolling back your GPU drivers. Driver regressions are a common culprit. Once done, if problems remain, reinstall the DirectX runtime redistributable and use the D3D debug layer or vendor diagnostics to capture logs. And remember this tip: restore original DLLs before troubleshooting mods, because replaced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.